If you are a fan of Bollywood movies, or more specifically, fan of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, then you are going to find this video very interesting. Hi friends, this is Kaushik and welcome to my channel Bong on Road. We are in Switzerland and this is the 6th day of our trip. Today we are going to Sanand, where many part of the famous Bollywood movie DDLJ or Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge has been shot. For this, we boarded a train from Interlaken West station. The journey has been done in three parts. The first train takes us from Interlaken West to Space, second train to Weizmann, and the last train takes us further to the last station, that is Sanand. The surrounding scene from the train is much better than the other places here in Switzerland. Also, from Zweismann, we boarded the Golden Bus train, which from inside looks something like this. You can almost enjoy the 360-degree view of the place from inside the train. So as soon as we reached the Sanand station, we realized why Mr. Yash Chopra has selected this place for the shooting of this movie. After reaching there, we headed towards the hostel, kept our luggage and left to explore this place. As this place is famous for Bollywood movie, so the main attraction points are the Sanand Church, Sanand Station, Sanand Bridge and the Sanand Airfield where the shooting parts has been done. Here, even guided Bollywood tours are being organized as you can see here. This is the Sanand station where one of the movie scene has been shot. You can sit here, click some photos or can taste the famous ice cream of this place. The next location is Sanand Church. Here another scene has been shot. However, in the movie, the inside part was shot in a different location. As this church is at a higher location, the entire Sanand area can be seen. Now, this is the Sanand bridge. Here also another two parts has been shot. On this bridge, one famous song has shot. You can imagine the popularity of this movie by seeing this picture. Beside this bridge, it is the Sanand airfield. Here, several other movie scene has been shot. Near to Sanand, another place is very famous, that is Stud. So we started walking to reach there, as some local people have suggested that it will be a great idea to enjoy the beauty. Without any doubt, I can say that we took the right suggestion. We reached there, roam around for some time, and find this place, the early bake shop. In front of this, again some movie part has been shot. After this, we boarded a bus to come back to Sanan and headed towards our hostel. So this is Kaushik signing off. Drive safe, ride safe, be safe. Bye bye.